Today we are studying oxidation and reduction reaction of the chapter of chemical reaction and equation. In our daily life we find so many example in our daily life we find so many example of oxidation and reaction like burning of coal in presence of air. This is the called the combustion, or rusting of iron in the presence of air and moisture, or occurrence of foul smell in oil or ghee by the heating and cooling them rep- repeat cooling them repeatedly. So many example of oxidation and reduction. We have often seen that oily food, if not used within a limited time, given bad taste and smell. That is the reaction of oxidation. Not only not only this, it is also became unfit for consumption. This is all due to oxidation of oil and fat present in the food. So uh, many example of oxidation and reaction. Now we are studying definition of oxidation and reduction. First, oxidation. Addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. For example, carbon plus oxygen. Oxygen add with carbon and make a carbon dioxide CO2. That is the example of oxidation reaction. Second, removal of hydrogen from a substance. H2S plus O2 is equal to 2S plus H2O. Here, from sulfur, hydrogen removed. So, that is the oxidation reaction. Third, loss of electron from a substance. For example, Zn lost electron and make Zn plus 2. That is the called the. Now we can say that oxygen add in a substance or hydrogen removed in a substance is a called oxidation. Either a element lost electron, that is called the oxidation. Now the study of reduction, just opposite of oxidation. Like first point, addition of hydrogen is a substance. Sodium add hydrogen is equal to NaH. That is the hydrogen add, so it is the reduction. Second, removal of oxygen from the substance. Magnesium oxide plus carbon is equal to Mg plus Co. Here magnesium oxide remove the oxygen and make a magnesium. That is the reduction reaction. Third, gain of electron from a substance. Any element or group add electron, then it is the reduction. Now we can say addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen from a substance is the called the reduction. Either gain of electron from a element or a group is the called reduction. Here definition of oxidation and reaction like a different also. Uh, Now we are studying of important reaction, redox reaction. The reaction in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously are called redox reaction. When when in a reaction oxidation and reduction both are work, that is the called the redox reaction. For example, CuO plus H2 is equal to Cu plus H2. Here is CuO. Remove the oxygen and make Cu. That is the reduction reaction. Other place H2 is equal to convert into H2O. Here oxygen add. So that is the reaction of oxidation. If a substance gain oxygen during a reaction, it is said to oxidize. If it is lost oxygen during a reaction, it is said reduce. When in a reaction a group or element or substance gain oxygen, that is oxidized, and lost the oxygen is reduced. In example, CuO plus H2 is equal to Cu plus H2O. We now see CuO remove the oxygen, that is called the reduced. Other than hydrogen gain the oxygen is called oxidized. Let us see what we learned by the some questions. First question, write one difference between oxidation and reduction. Now we study oxidation is a reaction when oxygen is added. Other than reduction is a reaction when remove the oxygen from a substance. Second, identify the substance that are oxidized or reduced in the following reaction. First, C carbon plus oxygen is equal to CO2. Here oxygen is added with carbon, so that is the oxidize. Second, hydrogen plus bromine is equal to HBr. Here bromine add hydrogen, so opposite of oxygen, that is called reduce. Third, HCl plus O2 is equal to Cl2 plus H2O. Here is HCl remove hydrogen and make a Cl2, that is oxidize. Other than oxygen convert H2O. Here hydrogen is added, so here is reduce. Fourth question, ZnO plus C is equal to Zn plus CO. Here write the wrong reaction. Here it is actual reaction ZnO plus C is equal to Zn plus CO. Here ZnO, zinc oxide, remove the oxygen, so it is reduced, and carbon gain the oxygen, so it is oxidized. Third question, Nina found that her anklet turned black after few days. In this process, silver is oxidized or reduced. We can see in our family, mother, sister use anklet. After some time, he turned black because in the presence of air, he oxidize, so make the oxide. After oxide, he convert in the sulfide, so it is process is called the oxidize. Thank you. We study the worksheet 6 for student. You learn it and enjoy it. If you like it, please like the comment in the comment box. Thank you.